This week's episode, we install the last 4 windows, and everyone's going a little crazy without internet.
Teaching itself how to eat its leaf.
Loading, please wait.
Today we're going to take out the last 2 sliders. It's been so fun so far the last couple times we've done it. Each slider's taken us over an hour, so we need to expedite this. In true up north fashion, on the 5th of July, nothing's open. We're like gonna be a board or 2 short on our 2x4s. So we're gonna have to put some stuff together here to make this work. Thank my sponsors, the DeWalt Skill Saw. Please send me more if you see this. These are the best saws ever.
We mostly just want batteries.
Yeah, we just want batteries. Shout out to DeWalt.
Okay, we're going to check on the table here. Just got it from Ben here.
It's not a table, it's a countertop.
That was really weird.
Well, isn't it a countertop?
We had to get these clamps on loan, I guess, is the story. I wasn't with them.
We got them for free though, and he said we could
just
keep
on
them.
loan. No, they're on
I
loan.
know, but we're gonna give them back because we're nice.
So this
So
is
Keaton, tell us about what a live edge means.
Live edge. This is live edge. That's what it means. It's alive. These could start growing any minute. It's alive.
Give me
Funny.
that tape measure.
And here we go. We're gonna measure here.
What do you got?
measure.
Around 2 inches here. Perfect.
1 3/4 is what we're looking at.
Is it 1 3/4?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Pretty big slab, pieces of slab. What's the distance you got across there, guy?
Across there we got 45 inches.
Hold on a second. You're not hooked on the other
Glue
side.
on my pants. These are my good
She got
pants.
glue on her pants.
These are my
guys.
pants for the whole trip.
She's not joking.
She's not joking. She bought clothes from the Walmart on clearance rack.
We are making fun of your mom.
True.
Okay, what's the actual dimension here?
27 inches here and a short part here. We go to a long area here. We're getting about around 28. Back in 28. We go here to another wide part here.
Look at that tight bond.
So what are you gonna do
Get
to
another 27 here.
tight bond?
It's gonna be pretty iffy if it doesn't
We always
fit.
use the tight bond 3 because it's waterproof and it's exterior interior.
Lightning bug, watch you.
Cooking up a tortilla here. This man's got some red hot. Well, it's a quesadilla. It's got some red hot, some Chick-fil-A sauce. You gotta smash your tortillas or else they're just not good.
Wow, that looks like a belly ache right there.
Ooh. Yeah. Now you let it cool. Let the cheese go from liquid to solid. And you eat her. She's bussin'.
How's that delicious quesadilla?
Delicious. The Chick-fil-A sauce makes it taste like there's chicken in it. But there's not chicken in it, actually. It's pretty spicy with the red hot.
With all that red hot, I wonder why.
But it's not super spicy. I can eat it. I could eat the whole thing. So I'm gonna get chomping down here. It was delicious, though. It's delicious. Definitely will get it.
What's mom doing in here? Let's check out the
This is
check out the
exciting.
laundry. Oh yeah.
Well,
yeah.
you know, you get to do laundry
show-
on the washer here.
Show me this setup, laundry
Well,
setup you got.
you know, so the back was broken, also known as the backsplash. For those of you wondering, on a washer, that's called a backsplash. And that was the old one, and I had to cut it with a saw
What?
to get it off because I didn't know how to get the button off until we found the clip. So we have the new one on there.
I knew there was a clip.
New used one. Keaton was helping, giving lots of feedback.
He's just mowing into this thing.
And,
But now you have this fancy no knob, so you
well,
can
you
just,
know, because this knob's busted.
you kind of just spin the spinner and
Shout
then,
out to Bill's Used Appliances. I think we broke it on the way. That
yeah,
happens sometimes.
200 or 300 miles.
He's got pretty good ovens, though, cooking these quesadillas.
That happens when you move stuff in a trailer, like compacted the ceiling, and you know how it goes. So yeah.
I got some curtains to sew, you know.
Oh yeah. We got
Yeah,
lots to
we
get
got
done
some
here.
curtains. We got a
Okay.
lot done.
Backing out.
Bye. Bye, Felicia.
Where's the ghost at?
What?
He just put some.
He wants refills. I'm the only one not going crazy here. What cures my boredom without internet? My hat's not on right. What cures my boredom is I like to watch wood glue dry, so I bought this table, and I've been watching it dry. You can see my chair. The dog has been teaching itself how to eat its leash within 2 minutes of tying it. So that's what it does to cure its boredom from internet. I've been going through my junk pile and finding copper. Here's my collection. Here's some of the copper here. There's a little bit of copper here. Here's the collection. I'm still looking. We found a huge TV. but it doesn't work. And what did you find? I found. He found the Mona Lisa, actually. We'll show you the Mona Lisa. It's pretty cool, you could say, right, Clay?
Yeah.
You gonna come over here and explain? Yeah. Hold your painting up here. I thought the picture came out. Flip it over. You got the Mona Lisa upside down, bud. It's the Mona Lisa.
So this be like the Mona Lisa, and here's also another thing that I found.
It's the Mona Lisa. We gotta be careful with it, because we don't want to mess it up. It's the Mona Lisa.
I'll tell you what else I found. This antique board. As you can see, it's been alive for about like 1 million years.
If you could like and subscribe, it would help a lot. And if you wanna watch our other videos and be notified when we post the video, hit the bell icon after you hit the subscribe button. So everyone has been going like cuckoo,
Have we been here for 4 weeks?
yeah, we've been here for like 4 weeks.
Without internet?
Yeah, without internet, and like everyone be going all around, like they like we go like we'll go like